Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy the oBucks gift card. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then simply use the search box to search for oBucks gift card. Now from the search results, you will be able to find the link from Openbucks which says Openbucks gaming card. You can click on this link or also use other links which offer the oBucks gift card. Now from the official oBucks gaming card link, you can scroll down and you will be able to purchase your gift card immediately. You can simply type in your card number followed by your PIN and then click on the pay button to proceed with buying your gift card. If you use external sites, you might be able to select specific amounts that you can load into your oBucks card. So go ahead and select your amount and then click on the buy now or the checkout button. You will then be asked to enter your credentials. After logging into your account, enter your payment information and proceed with checkout. And now if you selected an e-gift card, you will get it delivered to your email instantly or to your address for a physical one. And there you have it. That is how you can buy an oBucks gift card. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.